Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making my favorite Chinese fried chicken. This is super delicious. It is easy. I am sure you guys are going to love it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the first step for making this chicken is brining your chicken. You can do it overnight or you can do it for a few hours. Brining your chicken is just water, salt, and sugar. So this is the next day, and these are the rest of the ingredients, and everything that I'm using here will be in the description box down below. So I'm combining everything to my pot, and I'm going to bring this broth to a boil. Then I'm going to add the chicken and let that go for about 15 minutes. After which you will remove from the broth and place on a drying rack. Baking sheet to dry and cool. Be very careful with the chicken, guys. All right, so this is the stock remaining. You can use this for fried rice, you can use this for any kind of sauce you want to make as well. So as I mentioned, I am using my air fryer. I do have another video where I just fried the Chinese fried chicken, and I'll leave the link as well in the description box. If you're going to go that route, please make sure your chicken is absolutely dry, like really pat dry, all the excess water from the chicken. To the first 20 minutes I pull out, I put it back in, and then I take it out again after 40, and this is what it looks like. I really want the skin to be nice and crunchy, and that is the result, guys. Absolutely delicious. You can make your chicken in the air fryer as well. You can fry it regularly if you want to, your choice. But this was super delicious, eaten with some good Guyanese fried rice. Listen, you guys need to make this. If you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. Bye bye.